Prudent.
Prudent mean cautious, discreet, judicious, circumspect.
Opposite meanings are impetuous, unwise, reckless, rash.
Provoke.
Provoke mean inflame, incite, agitate, aggravate.
Opposite meanings are pacify, comfort, dissuade, placate.
Protract.
Protract mean prolong, delay, stretch, procrastinate.
Opposite meanings are abbreviate, curtail, abridge, compress.
Proscribe.
Prescribe mean prohibit, exclude, ban, forbid.
Opposite meanings are solicit, include, permit, sanction.
Propitiate.
Propitiate mean appease, soothe, pacify, placate.
Opposite meanings are aggravate, annoy, scorn, displease.
Promulgate.
Promulgate mean declare, proclaim, notify, announce.
Opposite meanings are preserve, suppress, disguise, withhold.
Promiscuous.
Promiscuous mean confused, indiscriminate, casual, random.
Opposite meanings are regular, discriminate, orderly, select.
Profuse.
Profuse mean lavish, abundant, generous, plentiful.
Opposite meanings are scarce, scanty, meager, paucity.
Profligate.
Profligate mean dissolute, degenerate, immoral, flagitious.
Opposite meanings are virtuous, upright, moral, ethical.
Prodigy.
Prodigy mean miracle, marvel, wonder, extraordinary.
Opposite meanings are normal, average, mediocre, common.
Prodigious.
Prodigious mean vast, enormous, immense, huge.
Opposite meanings are unimpressive, diminutive, slight, puny.
Presumptuous.
Presumptuous mean presuming, arrogant, affected, insolent.
Opposite meanings are unassuming, modest, bashful, unobtrusive.
Premature.
Premature mean precious, untimely, mistimed, inopportune.
Opposite meanings are belated, Opportune, timely, mellow.
Predicament.
Predicament mean plight, dilemma, fix, quandary.
Opposite meanings are resolution, confidence, firmness, certainty.
Precarious.
Precarious mean doubtful, insecure, unreliable, uncertain.
Opposite meanings are assured, undeniable, reliable, substantial.
Pompous.
Pompous mean haughty, arrogant, flamboyant, florid.
Opposite meanings are unpretentious, humble, coy, modest.
Poise.
Poise mean equanimity, composure, equilibrium, patience.
Opposite meanings are excitement, vehemence, frenzy, outburst.
Plight.
Plight mean predicament, perplexity, adversity, difficulty.
Opposite meanings are facility, confidence, certainty, assurance.
Pliant.
Pliant mean docile, amenable, pliable, submissive.
Opposite meanings are defiant, adamant, rigid, obdurate.
Pique.
Pique mean offense, resentment, indignation, displeasure.
Opposite meanings are joy, rejoice, gratification, pleasure.